Understanding and using your balance sheet effectively is key to managing your business's finances. But first, what's a balance sheet? A balance sheet gives you a snapshot of the financial health of your business at a specific moment in time. It shows you your assets, your liabilities, and your capital. So, review your balance sheet to understand how effectively your assets are being used and whether liabilities are manageable. Let's use Annalisa's pet grooming and supplies business. After comparing her assets and liabilities, Annalisa realized that she had more debt than she could handle comfortably. And this was an eye opener for her. She decided to use some of her cash reserves to pay off a high interest loan and sold some extra inventory to free up more cash. This helped her reduce her debt burden and improve her financial stability. Keep in mind that your balance sheet helps you see how well you're using your assets and managing your debts. It's an important tool for making sure your business stays financially healthy and successful.